Looking for the best that are truly worth your money? In today's video, I've selected the top 5 best motorcycle fluids available in the market right now based on quality, performance, and real customer reviews. To save you time, I've added the latest prices and product links in the description below. Let's get started with our first pick: Shell Rotella Motorcycle Fluids. This engine oil is engineered to deliver advanced protection and efficiency for demanding diesel and heavy-duty applications. Its upgraded formulation offers significantly improved wear resistance compared to previous generation API CJ4 oils, helping critical engine components withstand long-term stress and friction. The technology also actively guards against oil breakdown, maintaining stable lubrication even under high heat and extended service intervals. A key advantage is its enhanced fuel economy capability, delivering up to 1.5% improvement versus conventional 15W40 oils without sacrificing durability or protection. The multifunctional dispersant additives play a crucial role in keeping the engine clean by controlling soot, dirt, and other harmful contaminants that can form deposits over time. Additionally, its improved low-temperature flow ensures reliable cold starts and consistent circulation in varying climates. Next up, we have Modal Motorcycle Fluids. This 100% synthetic ester-based 10W40 motorcycle oil is designed for riders who demand smooth shifting, strong protection, and consistent performance across all riding conditions. With JSO MA2, T903:2023 certification, it ensures precise friction control for wet clutch systems, delivering noticeably smoother gear changes and confident, responsive power transfer from engine to wheel throughout the RPM range, whether in street, sport, or adventure use. Its advanced ester technology forms a durable molecular film that strongly bonds to metal surfaces, reducing friction while resisting shear and thermal breakdown during sustained high-rev operation. This provides reliable protection for critical engine and gearbox components, including bearings and piston rings, while maintaining stable viscosity in both hot and cold conditions. Fully compliant with API-SP standards, it is optimized for modern emission-controlled engines, protecting catalytic converters through controlled phosphorus and sulfur levels. Coming in at number 3, Valvoline Motorcycle Fluids. This premium full synthetic oil is engineered for riders who demand maximum performance, durability, and efficiency from their engines. Built on an advanced reformulated base with high-performance additives, it delivers significantly improved protection, offering up to 10x better friction control than the JSO T903:2016 standard and up to 5x better wear resistance compared to industry benchmarks in IVA engine testing. This translates into stronger engine longevity and more stable operation under extreme riding conditions. The oil is tuned to enhance horsepower, acceleration, fuel efficiency, and overall oil life, making it a well-rounded choice for both performance and daily riding needs. Its exceptional wet clutch compatibility prevents slippage, ensuring smooth, precise gear shifts and consistent power delivery during aggressive or high-load riding. Additionally, its enhanced deposit control keeps engine components cleaner over time, reducing buildup and maintaining efficiency. Now at number 4, Ultra One Plus Motorcycle Fluids. This 10W40 motorcycle oil is formulated to exceed API-SN and JSO MA2 standards, delivering high-level protection and performance for motorcycles, ATVs, and other powersports engines. It is engineered for wet clutch systems, ensuring smooth and reliable clutch engagement with precise, consistent shifting across all RPM ranges, making it well-suited for both everyday riding and high-performance conditions. Built with race-tested durability, it features strong anti-wear additives and high shear stability that help protect the engine, clutch, and gearbox from extreme heat, stress, and sustained high RPM operation, significantly extending component life. Its advanced thermal and oxidation stability resists sludge and varnish formation, keeping the engine cleaner and running more efficiently over time while supporting improved throttle response and fuel efficiency. Designed for versatile compatibility across a wide range of modern powersports machines, it offers a balanced combination of protection, smooth operation, and long-term reliability under demanding riding conditions. And finally, our last pick: Polaris Motorcycle Fluids. This powersports-grade full synthetic oil is engineered to deliver top-tier protection and consistent performance for demanding engine environments. Built on a premium synthetic base oil, it ensures strong lubrication stability and high durability, supporting smooth operation even under heavy loads and extreme riding conditions. The custom Polaris additive system plays a key role in reducing engine deposits and minimizing wear on critical components, while also preventing oxidation at high temperatures and controlling moisture to protect against rust and corrosion over time. Its advanced formulation is designed to maintain engine cleanliness and reliability, extending overall engine life. The wide 5W50 viscosity range provides excellent adaptability, ensuring dependable protection in both freezing cold and high heat conditions, from -40°F to 100°F. This makes it suitable for year-round performance without compromising efficiency. So those were the top 5 best you can buy right now. If this video helped you choose the right product faster and easier, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more honest product reviews. Remember, all the product links with updated prices are in the description below. Thanks for watching.